Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Colgate Optic White Overnight Whitening Pen. So the first thing you're going to do is take the cap off. Now we're going to need to prime it. You may have to press this button. It sounds like a pin. You may have to press it about 20 times until you start seeing some liquid on the end of this tip. And so you'll start to see a little drop form on the end of it. It's like a paintbrush tip. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a Kleenex and you have to dry your teeth off. And then you're going to paint this onto your teeth. Try not to get it on your gums. That'll take about 10 to 15 seconds for it to dry. Once it's dry, then you can go about your normal activity. Now, for best results, you're supposed to leave it on there overnight, or it's like, say if you put it on the morning, try to leave it till noon when you can brush your teeth again, or when you're going to eat again. And then each press of the pen will do about 4 teeth. And so when you're all done, you're just going to put the cap on. Again, you can leave this on your teeth overnight, but if you start drinking or eating, you're going to want to brush your teeth before that. Now the next day, you're never supposed to run this under water. You're just supposed to press this to kind of get it wet again with the liquid inside there. You can wipe it off with a Kleenex, but never run that under water. Now I've noticed it doesn't really have a taste in my mouth. I did notice if I got it on my lip or kind of like my gum around the bottom of my lip, it does kind of irritate it a little bit, but overall, I've not had any problems with it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.